What's up with y'all? This your boy BCP Untamed, and this is the official intro to my new PC channel. Excuse me if I sound kind of stuffy. I am kind of just recovering from being under the weather, but hey, I'm here, ain't I? All of my PC content will be uploaded to this channel, except some of those videos that I don't even consider tech. It's just some amateur playing with electronics. The name and the logo of this channel might change, you know what I'm saying? I just threw some stuff together to get things moving along a little quicker. But all in all, this will be the channel where all my PC and tech stuff will be at. So you ain't gotta worry about that. One thing I wanna note is that some of my older PC videos, I don't have the original files, so I had to download them, and they will be uploaded in bad quality. But I know y'all not worried about them videos anyway. They old and they BS, but it will show you where I started and where I'm at now. So that's why I'm going to include them in this channel. So nothing but tech and PC stuff will be on this channel. The other channel was originally a official artist channel for my music. I just started posting all type of stuff on there. So I'm just probably gonna let that be the miscellaneous channel for gaming and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? My other tech stuff will be over there, my older stuff. Feel free to go check it out if you want to. It's totally up to you. But this channel here is gonna be the one where all my PC stuff and all my PC dreams may come true, you know. I also want to announce that I will be doing a paid PC build later down the line. I'm so happy about that, man. I had to source all the parts and stuff and get a little budget going for them and stuff like that. So I'm so excited about that, man. But yeah, bro, this is where it's gonna be at, man. Thank y'all for rocking with me, bro. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the channel. See ya.